Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Jon Venus here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I eat in a day. Full day of eating. Noah's here helping us with the dishwasher. It's like one of his favorite play areas. So, okay.
Maybe taste it.
Yeah, alright.
Put it back, okay.
Right now, Catherine's just chilling in her underwear. And we're going to eat some bread, which I usually never or very rarely eat. So, Catherine put some baguettes here in the oven, and I'm also going to be having a Alpro Go On for breakfast. So I'm going to have...
Oh, I forgot about those. Those are mine!
Can I have one? Can I have one, please? Pretty please.
Are there left?
I'll give you a massage. Yeah, there are like 3 left or 2 left after this. So this is a high protein yogurt. It's about 10 grams of protein in this thing. So a really good way to boost it. I swear that was not planned. So I got the breakfast here. Got 1 baguette thing and then 3 rice cakes. And then I have a couple things that I'm gonna put on top. So this is some vegan cheese. I'm gonna have 1 slice. It's called Wilmer Burger. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna have on top of one of them. But first, key ingredient for me is some butter. So I'm gonna be spreading butter on everything. Butter is obviously not healthy, not good for you, but it's very rich in calories and absolutely delicious. Let me know if you guys are butter fans as well. I'm such a butter fan that I remember when I used to play Counter-Strike, my username was Butterface. True story. Right, so I'm gonna be putting the cheese on the baguette like that. And then I'm gonna be putting some... Whoa, whoa, whoa! What, you want this? Yeah, that's a pate. Vegan pate. Yeah, you want that? I'm gonna be... Oh, you're not... No, 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 no. No, 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 that's for me. So what I really like doing is using some of this pate on a rice cake. Super calorie dense. Oh, whoa. Dude, I'm trying to vlog here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There you go. Eat it yourself. So got the pate and then this thing on top. So this is a beetroot salad with like mayo, vegan mayo. This is like a very unhealthy breakfast for me.
Save some for me.
Yeah, will do. So yeah, I don't recommend this food at all because it's processed and it's not something that I eat every day, but to be fully transparent with you guys, this is what I do sometimes. And then on the remaining 2 ones, I'm just gonna have them plain with butter. Some more? More, yeah? Mmm. Alright, so now it's time for the yogurt. This is the passion fruit one. Super good. Mmm.
More?
What are you playing with?
Just playing with this measuring band.
Daddy, yeah.
What?
That's how big Daddy's bicep is. Alright, so dad duties. Gotta eat the leftovers from Noah's little oatmeal.
There you go.
The daily ritual. No. No. Oh. I'm already full. Can't waste food. Alright guys, so just doing some editing, some work. So I wanted to wait until I was done before eating anything else. Oh, looks like he's awake. How's your walk?
Good.
How's your nap, baby?
Quite a long time.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh yeah. Oh, you wanna show Daddy the tractor?
Yeah. You wanna show me something?
Tractor.
Oh. He's in love with tractors and cars and vehicles.
Yeah, what did we see?
Did you see a tractor outside?
Oh,
on your walk? Hey Noah, do you have any ideas of what I can eat right now? I'm really hungry. What should I eat, Catherine? We need to make that baked oatmeal.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're having a smoothie.
Okay.
Cherry smoothie.
Nice. Right guys, so we're gonna make a baked oatmeal right now, which I'm gonna be eating later on and making a full recipe video. You guys have probably already seen it because I would have uploaded that before this. Anyway, right now, since I'm really hungry, I can't wait till that's finished because it's gonna take like over an hour. I'm gonna have some leftovers from yesterday. So Catherine prepared this amazing pasta with butternut squash sauce. Super delicious. So I'm just gonna snack on that until I'm satisfied. Right, so I ate some of the pasta and now I'm just gonna snack on a couple nuts just because it's a great source of fat, and fat just satiates me a lot more than just carbs. The pasta was basically purely carbs, so I'm gonna have some nuts as well.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, so we just finished filming this recipe video for this baked oatmeal. It's looking real good. I'm really hungry right now. So yeah, I'm gonna be sharing that with the whole fam. It was your effort. You're filming.
I helped you out.
Yeah, Catherine always helps me.
It's teamwork.
She's the one that makes everything work around the house. Yeah, without her, I'm useless. So yeah, it's always a teamwork. We do everything together, from meal plans, workout plans, online training, YouTube, like social media. She helps me with everything. I know you guys already know this, but in case you didn't, just give Catherine a little bit of credit, because yeah, maybe we'll get a massage tonight. Alright guys, 2 things that I really like to do to make this even better is put a little bit of a drizzle of maple syrup on top and a bit of pink Himalayan sea salt. Alright guys, let's have a go. So good. That was absolutely amazing. Seriously, make sure to check out the YouTube recipe video that I posted yesterday, I think. So yeah, check it out. Just and if you can't find it, just search Jon Venus baked oatmeal recipe. Absolutely amazing, right?
It's really good.
Yeah, I was surprised. Yeah, I was super surprised. Hey Noah, this is our playtime. Huh?
Mama's gonna work a little bit.
Yeah. You have to let mom work. Huh? If not, we're gonna go broke. We ain't gonna have money for your diapers.
He just figured out that the laptop is extremely fun.
Yeah.
And he just wants to touch the keyboard all the time.
Yeah, we need to take care of our clients, man. Come.
Wanna play?
Come.
Wanna play? Wanna show Daddy your tractor?
Come
Wanna show Daddy your tractor and all the animals?
Please. Come on. Here. Boom, boom, boom. Bus? Bus. That's right. Which book do you want to read? No, not that one. Not that one. Reading is Noah's favorite activity, I think. Too many to choose from, huh? This one, okay. Let's do it. Alright guys, so it's dinner time. Catherine and Noah are eating pasta leftovers from yesterday. Bixie's trying to get in. Come on, girl.
John,
so,
we just let her outside.
what do you want me to do? I'm a vegan. I gotta grant the animals' wishes. Bixie, what are you doing? Oh, I see.
She just wanna eat Noah.
Ah, okay. Yeah, she's distracting Noah. Come, look. Ooh. There you go. Tricked you. So what I'm gonna be doing is preparing some sort of wok. So I got this pulled ump, which is a mock meat from Sweden. Minimally processed, pretty good ingredients considering it's a processed mock meat, soy-based thing, which is always not the best for your health, but absolutely delicious and very high in protein, which is obviously very helpful for gains, and that is what my goal is for the moment. So I'm also going to be throwing in this oriental vegetable mix, which has, I'm not even going to pretend to know what these veggies are called, but they seem pretty nice. And to make it more interesting, I'm going to be throwing some coconut cream or full fat coconut milk into the mix in here. It's going to increase the calories quite a lot to give it a good flavor. Then I'm going to be adding some curry spice into the mix as well. Like that. What are you doing? Blowing kisses?
Yeah.
Is that what you're doing? Oh, nice. And finally, I'm going to be adding some soy sauce for the saltiness. There you go. So all I got to do now is mix it up. Very quick meal to prepare, probably just 5 minutes. And yeah, pretty healthy as well. If you look past the fact that the mock meat is processed. What you can do instead to make it healthier is add tempeh. That's what I normally do, but here in Norway, I've never seen tempeh in any stores. But I could have put in tofu, but yeah, I just didn't feel like tofu today. I've been eating a lot of tofu lately, so just felt like a little break. But yeah, the smell is absolutely fantastic. This is amazing. I wish you guys could smell this through the screen. I think Bixie agrees that it smells amazing, right? So I haven't had greens in a little while because yeah, we don't buy them because we actually grow them in the garden, and it's been pouring down with rain here. So I've just been so lazy. I really don't like rain, so I just didn't want to go outside and pick some. But now I'm gonna make the sacrifice for you guys. Let's be quick because I don't know if this microphone is waterproof or not. All right, so we got a bunch of kale here. Let's just pick some. This one looks good. That should be enough. All right. Let's go. Alright guys, if I don't deserve a thumbs up for getting wet for you guys, then I don't know what does. Alright, so this kale is super hard, so I'm gonna try to massage it so it's a little bit easier to eat. I guess I'm using my massage power for the day on the kale instead of on Catherine, so too bad. Right, so now I'm gonna be putting a little bit of lemon juice on top, and finally sprinkling some hemp seeds on top. Stir fry's ready. This is gonna be amazing. Tell me this doesn't look absolutely amazing. Let's try a little combo here. So good. And the kale, so much more easier to eat when it's like massaged. And yeah, if you want to make it even better, I really like putting a little bit of maple syrup in the kale along with the lemon juice. It's amazing. Try it out. I'm about to finish off the day. I'm just eating a clementine, or what's it called?
Yeah, I think it's a clementine. Or
I think so. Mandarin, clementine, I don't know. Let me know what this is called. Anyway. Oh, what are you looking at? Yeah, so Noah's about to go to bed right now. And I am not gonna have anything else today to eat. Hope this video gave you guys some ideas of what to eat on a plant-based diet. Definitely not a very planned day of eating for me, and not too optimized for health and fitness, but just a casual, normal day. And of course, if you want more exciting recipes and that kind of stuff, I have released an ebook recently, so check that out in the link in the description box below. Or if you're looking for help in your fitness journey, we also have workout plans and meal plans, so make sure to check that out if you're interested. Anyways, enough self-promotion. That's it for me today. You wanna say goodnight, guys? Good night.